Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Marissa Maristio with student ID number 2023-32099. Today I will explain the coding script. Okay, explanation of Jupyter Notebook code for Cummins. First, um, import library, explanation pandas to read and handle tabular data or CSV file. Matplotlib, Python, Seaborn for data visualization, plots and charts. K-means, K-means from sklearn.cluster. The K-means clustering algorithm. And table 2. Next, load the dataset. Explanation, read the CSV file and stores in a data frame named df. And then 3. Display the initial data. Explanation, hit display the first 5 rows to get a quick look at the data. Info, show the data types and whether there are any missing values. And describe, provide summary statistic, min, max, etc. for numeric columns. Okay, this is, and table 4. Select feature for clustering. Explanation is, we select annual income and spending score column because they are numeric and easy to visualize in 2D and store in X, which will be used as input for K-means. And then line 5, visualize data before clustering. Explanation, creates a scatter plot to see the original distribution of customer before clustering. 8. Pick size 8 and 5, set the plot size. SNS, scatter plot, plots the data point. Okay, this is input customer distribution. Okay, 6, line 6, determine the optimal number of cluster, elbow method. Explanation, try different number of clustering, of cluster from 1 to 10. P, W, CSS within cluster sum of square. Measure how tightly the data point are clustered around the centroid. Cummins, intertia, give the WCSS value for its A. Okay, this is output method elbow. And line 7, apply comments. For example, we choose 5 cluster based on the elbow method, fit predict or X, trains the model and assign a cluster label to each row. The cluster label are stored in a new column cluster in data frame. And this is line 8. Visualize the clustering result. Create a scatter plot with different color for each cluster. Hue cluster. Adds yellow X marker to show cluster centroid using Cummins center. Okay, this is output hasil clustering Cummins. And the last, line 9, display the final data. Display the first 5 rows of the data frame with the new cluster column. Summary Cummins divide customer into groups based on their annual income and spending score. The result help business understand customer segment. For example, 1, high income and high spending, premium customer, and 2, low income and low spending, budget conscious customer, and 3, medium income and high spending, potential target for marketing, and etc. Okay, thank you for attention. Thank you. Okay, goodbye.